How to prepare a project. Open the E2 Studio IDE and create new project. Enter the project name and select EKRA6M3G. When the EKRA6M3G is selected, the target device is also automatically selected. Select J-Link ARM in Debugger. Select Executable and No RTOS. Select Bare Metal Minimal. Show the FSP configuration in the FSP configuration perspective. Set the stack size and heap size to be used by MWin. Click the BSP tab and set the stack size and heap size in Properties. Click the Pins tab and set the pin to be used for backlighting. Click the Generate Project Content button to generate the code. Select the target project in preparation of the workflow. Confirm the board information and select Use MWin.